Hey guys, Lady Lee here from ladyleeshome.com, and in this video we are going to make Southwest chicken chili, one of my favorite dishes to make simply because I can make a big pot of it and it can last for a few days, and then that means that I don't have to make any food for a couple of days. Everybody loves it so much that they don't mind eating it over and over again. Another reason that it really is one of my favorites is because if you're a homesteader like me, you can grow or raise pretty much everything that goes into this dish, and we will go over the ingredients in a minute. It is pretty simple to put together. I have the step-by-step picture tutorial and the recipe on the blog, and I will include the link in the notes below this video. To make this Southwest chicken chili, you will need some shredded chicken, and one good trick is to wait for after Thanksgiving, where all the turkey is going down in price. Then I usually get a few of them, I bake them in the oven, take all the meat off the bone, divide it into 3 cups, which is what we're going to use here, 3 cups Ziploc bags, and I stick it in the freezer. This way I have shredded chicken or turkey to make this dish the rest of the year. If you have leftover rotisserie chicken or something like that, this is a great dish to use this with. If you're a homesteader and you have like an old hen or a whole old rooster that needs to go, process it in the pressure cooker and then shred the meat or take the meat off the bone and use it in this dish. This is an amazing way to use older chicken or rooster that need to go. So 3 cups of shredded chicken or turkey. We got some canola oil here to fry the diced onion, garlic, minced garlic. We got 2 cans of tomato sauce, some corn, beans. I got chicken stock, a slurry that I made with water and corn flour, mesa, I think I'm not sure how you say it, but that is to thicken the chili. As far as spices, we have paprika, black pepper, cumin, and salt. And we're going to use some cilantro for garnish. You can also use add avocado on top of it when it's done. That's another great way to eat it, and I usually eat it with tortilla chips. Let me show you how I put all this together now. I love using a Dutch oven to make this chicken chili. So set your pot on the stovetop and turn the heat to medium-high. Add the canola oil and let the oil heat for just a couple minutes. Once the oil is hot, add the diced onion and fry it until it's slightly browned. That usually takes maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure to stir frequently so it doesn't burn. Add the minced garlic and stir it in. Cook for just a couple of minutes until it's fragrant. Make sure to stir pretty much constantly so the garlic doesn't burn. Next, add the chicken stock and also the tomato sauce, both cans, and give everything a good stir to combine together. Then we add the chicken or the turkey, whatever you use. Stir it in. Cover the pot and let it all come to a boil. Once the pot is gently boiling, it's time to add the seasonings. about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Lastly, about a tablespoon of cumin. Give this all a good stir, a good mix to mix the spices in, and then lower the heat to medium or a little bit below medium. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Next, add the beans and the corn and stir them in. Lastly, add the corn flour slurry and stir it in. This will help us thicken this chicken chili. Cover your pot and cook for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. All we gotta do now is add a little bit of cilantro on top. You can use, you can add cheese too if you like. I usually don't. And avocado goes really well here too. I just use chips. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. The step-by-step and the printable recipes on the blog. Again, I'll link to it below. I hope you'll give it a try. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Till next time.